When you're getting ready to launch a product, depending on the function, the size, the quality, your preferences, textures, multiple different variables, you may want to get a sample. If you want to go the sample route, this is how you do it. Very simple. 9 times out of 10, your supplier is actually going to cover the cost of your sample. They just ask for you to pay for the shipping. Now, on 1-piece samples or 2-piece samples, you're gonna do expedited air shipping, and you're gonna get it within 5 to 6 days, give or take on the day that you create the shipment. Now, it usually runs anywhere between 50 to 100 bucks, but again, you're getting this in less than a week. You're gonna be able to physically see, touch, smell, taste, or what have you in reference to your product. So in order to do this, all you have to do is simply ask your supplier, hey, everything looks good. I would just like to physically see it, physically test it, so on and so forth before we make the commitment and we proceed forward with manufacturing. That's a physical sample, and we call this a pre-manufacturing sample. Now, there's another thing that you can do that a lot of people don't do, but they're sleep on, is even if I don't need to physically see it for whatever reason, I still have the supplier create a video of them using the product, opening the packaging, showing the product being used, zooming in on the product, so on and so forth, on their phone, and just send it to me, because you'd be surprised in today's day and age, these mobile devices and iPads and phones have very good quality cameras, not like when we were growing up, right? So by simply just asking your supplier to record a video, talk about the product, or show different parts of the product, you can tell a lot from the high definition video just from your phone or your tablet. And your supplier will be more than happy to do that for you. You just gotta ask. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.